will show you the best tail lights that you could possibly get for cheap, and also I'm gonna show you how to install them. Here it is. It is a nice sharp tail light. It has the Z logo in there, so whenever you press on the brakes, it'll light up. Pretty cool. But yeah, let me show you. Okay, first and foremost, the thing that you want to do always is pop open your hood and remove the battery. Here's the old, and here's the new. It's clean and mean. I definitely didn't plan to really replace the taillights, but it's been cracked. Water went in. Oh, there's the other crack. Water went in. It messed up the bulb. It fried it up, and still not really all that sealed right here. So I'm gonna just replace the whole tail light. And I was gonna go for the OEM look, but those really caught my eye. So let's get it. For this part, you can use a flathead screwdriver, but I'm gonna go with my knife. So you just pry it open like that. Very easy with the knife. It's a lot thinner. Socket and wrench. What you'll need is a 10mm. After you got the tail light popped off, you just grab this right here, just twist it out. Comes out. Grab the other one, twist them, and yeah, here's the old one. Here's how the new tail light looks. Here was the old. That's just a little comparison right there. Now that they're on, you just put these pieces that it came with back on, because the old pieces won't fit no more. This is how it looks at night. Really clean. So yeah, if you guys like what you see on this channel, just subscribe, like, comment, share with your fam. My name's Raggedy.
My life it is like a movie minus all the acting. Jacket, yeah, it's made of rabbit. Diamonds on my neck and wrist, they compliment that carrots. You ain't nothing but a mockingbird, boy, you a parrot. Oops, yeah, my bad, that's your girl, we can share it. Might buy her diamonds and pearls, but can't marry.